Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news of some major emergency moves in China to reinvigorate their economy. But first, the expansion of American retail sales at physical stores rose 4.1% last week from the same week a year ago. That is good, but is slowing from the gains since August. And the widely watched Conference Board Consumer Sentiment Survey for September has brought a hesitation, slipping to the lower end of a narrow range it's been in for the past 2 years. Worries about job security seem to be a key factor here. And ratings agency Moody's has warned that a downgrade for the US federal government is a live possibility unless it tackles its growing deficits. This comes a year after it placed the AAA rating on a negative outlook. Clearly, it is watching with some unease. Across the Pacific, Japan's business activity continues to rise, largely based on a service sector that is expanding at its fastest pace since April. And Taiwanese export orders rose 9.1% in August from the same month a year ago to a 9-month high. In China, the governor of their Chinese central bank said in a rare briefing that they will cut their reserve ratio requirement by 50 basis points and likely match that again before the end of 2024. Together, these will add 2 trillion yuan in 2024 liquidity. And he announced a raft of other measures, including that mortgage rates will be dropped by 50 basis points and the minimum deposit on a home purchase will be dropped to 15%. They did not specify exactly when these changes will go into effect, however. Yesterday, the RBA's policy review kept its rates unchanged in the face of higher than target inflation levels. It's been 4 years since they've had a rate cut there, but inflation remains above target and is proving persistent, so their room to move is limited. The US Treasury 10-year yield is now just on 3.73% and down 2 basis points from yesterday. And the price of gold will start today at $2,650 an ounce and up $32 from yesterday to be yet another all-time record high. And oil prices have risen $1 to $71.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is now just on $75 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today at 63.3 US cents and up 0.5 cent from this time yesterday and its highest level of the year. Against the Aussie, we're up 40 basis points at 92 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're up 30 basis points at 56.7 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at 70.6 and up 40 basis points from yesterday and a 3-month high. You can get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.